In today's recipe, I am showing you how to make quick and easy bread pizza. So let's get started. Heat a non-stick pan, place a bread and at medium flame toast it. Once it's toasted, flip it. Add some pizza sauce. And spread it evenly. Add some grated mozzarella cheese. Some onions, capsicum, sweet corn and tomatoes. Now add some more cheese. Now cover and cook this for 5 to 6 minutes at low flame. After 6 minutes, the cheese has melted. Now remove it from the pan. Sprinkle some red chilli flakes and oregano. Slice it. And serve. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.